how can we achieve a customized solution for attribution within scope of Marketo Engage? So we're getting deeper without any add-on features. Okay, and Casper, what are your thoughts?
Well, I would say so definitely that everything that will help you to aggregate the data that you are collecting. So whether this is again UTMs is very like important topic I would say over here. So because you can build UTMs in a way that on the personal level feels right, they can collect the last touch information, but you could also build them in a way that they store the first touch, they can aggregate the data, they can keep the last touch information. If you'll also collect them on the campaign level in Marketo, sync them to Salesforce as a program level custom fields, well, eventually you will have the data spread in Marketo, in CRM, and at some point you will need to have a tool that will help you to put that all together, right? Because you can have the reporting probably taken outside of Marketo, or use some tools like CDP, so something that will like listen all of the tools and capture the data from all the tools that you're using, and kind of process them and deliver them in a sort of data that marketing or potentially sales can use for any future activities, right? So yeah, that's my take on this.
So seems like you like add-ons, okay, with Marketo. So which one do you find those useful?
Well, from the standard ones, I would say that again, I would just refer back to the revenue cycle modeler, because that's something that's not, it doesn't come, I think, with the standard Marketo as a standard Marketo feature. However, if you understand your life cycle, and you are able to kind of understand that if someone interacts through various channels and then should progress to other stage, you can visualize that in the revenue cycle modeler, like the whole canvas. And then we'll try to learn both, again, as mentioned, marketing and sales, on how to use that if someone is in the marketing stage. So what will be the other stage that, for example, the SDR can pick up that person, so they can start at least some cold calling or some initial conversation, or what's the status, what's the stage that they should still remain in the marketing cycle, right? So that's something that I would really lean on the as the revenue cycle modeler. Definitely like the analytics and more custom analytics that will help you to understand like the velocity from how fast people are moving from one stage to another, right? So not just, all the start-on reporting, like the program performance, gives you the really nice overview how the overall campaigns and programs channel are progressing. But in terms of like understanding that if people come from different channels, coming from different strategies, so what's the velocity, how fast they are moving between stages, and how fast they are moved to sales. So every tool, whether that comes from Adobe or from other companies, because Marketo is really flexible in terms of integration, that will help you to give that some sort of understanding what's the velocity, and also aggregate the data. I would say that would be the key here.
Okay, so you're one of the very few people who like revenue cycle model. So,
I didn't say I like it. At the very stage, it was like I was not sure what it does. But then, if you understand the cycle and know how to use the tool, at least in a way that what are the stages, what are the SLAs, and all of that. So it helps you to kind of visualize how your life cycle looks like, right? So but it's a bit clunky.